Hi guys, welcome to my channel Lush Gardener. I hope you guys are fine and are safe. So there is another question that was being asked, can we keep succulents in the shower? So I believe you're asking, can the succulents be kept in the bathroom? Unfortunately not. Please do not keep your succulents in the washroom, even if you get a good amount of light, because some people do mention that they have this skylight kind of a thing in their washroom, and wherein they get a good amount of sunlight, they get a good amount of light. So why not keep succulents over there? Remember guys, the shower room is a place that is going to have limited air circulation. Apart from that, that is not the major case. The major case is the amount of humidity that is going to be present in that enclosed room. So you do not want to take a chance. Remember, whether it is a cactus or whether it is a succulent, they prefer a dry environment which is low in humidity with a good amount of air circulation, which most probably none of this is going to work out really well in the shower. So please do not keep your succulents in the shower or in the shower, because that's not going to work out really well. Even though you are getting a full day of light, I'm not very sure how, but even if you tend to get a full day of light in your shower, please do not keep your succulents there. They are not meant to be kept in a enclosed location with a high amount of humidity. They prefer a dry environment. If you are keen in keeping any plants in the washroom or in your bathroom or in your shower, you can definitely go for a lot of other foliage plants. Like you have your philodendrons, you have petunias, you have ferns, you have pothos. You can even make terrariums if you like. You can try all those plants if you are keen in having some greens or some greenery in your shower. So you can probably try all of these plants. I think pothos is going to work out really well. Ferns are going to work out really well, but definitely not succulents. So please don't give that as a try, because they will not do quite well. So ensure that you are keeping the plants according to what environment they belong to. Succulents and cacti prefer a dry condition, a dry environment with low humidity, a good amount of light with a lot of air circulation. So guys, I hope that this video was helpful to you. If it was, please hit the like button. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe, and keep propagating.